Welcome to my channel. The Akola District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Akola, is inviting online applications for the post of junior clerks, and so the eligible candidates can apply only through the bank website. So here website link is given, so through this link we have to apply, and candidates can apply online only from August 20, 2021 to September 4, 2021, and no other mode of application will be accepted. And so here 100 vacancies are there, and so here qualification, education qualification, graduation. So in any discipline from a recognized university with minimum 50 marks, and relaxation in minimum percentage of marks for the graduate candidates, and also the candidates should have computer eligibility also. So that condition is also given here, and other qualifications as mentioned, second point will be relaxed in case of candidates having BCA, BCM, MCM, BE, BTech in computer related subjects or any other computer related degree. So age limit, so the age not below 21 years and not above 30 as on July 31, 2021. So other eligibility conditions are given here, read carefully, and recruitment process is also given here. So online exam will be conducted. So the online exam will be of 75 marks and 25 marks for interview. So the selected candidates for interview will be displayed on bank websites. So minimum 50% marks on total will be required in online examination, and exam will be conducted in English only, and there will be 1/4 penalty for wrong answers. So here exam procedure is given. So reasoning, English language, general awareness with special reference to banking, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude. So 150 marks the examination, maximum marks for the examination is 150 marks, and for 150 questions. So the exam will be in English, and 150 minutes time will be allotted for the examination, and the online application process is given here. So read carefully. So before going to apply for this post, read carefully, and here registration procedure is given here. Payment of fee. So application fee or intimation charges 1000 rupees for candidates, and the fee is to be paid through online mode only, and on successful completion of transaction, an e-receipt will be generated. So non-generation of e-receipt indicates a payment failure. So be careful while paying the fee, and candidates are required to take a printout of the e-receipt, an online application form containing fee details, and submit it at the time of examination, and photograph, signature, scan and upload. So here the procedure of photograph, signature, scan and uploading procedure is given here. So read carefully. So signature, images, handwritten declarations, procedure, scanning the documents, and here procedure for uploading the documents is given, and the examination venues will be mentioned in online exam call letters. See, downloading the call letters. Candidates will have to visit the ADCC Bank's website for downloading call letters for the online test. Identify verification is given. Other important instructions are given here. And for online examination, centers are given here. Amravati, Nagpur, Aurangabad, Mumbai, Thane, Navi, Mumbai, Greater Mumbai, Pune districts. So as per the availability of venues. So website link open date August 20th, and starting date for applying online and payment fee starts from August 2021, and online test will be conducted on September 2021. So general instructions are given here. So this is the notification. So interested candidates can apply for these vacancies. So before applying for these vacancies, please read carefully. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.